Chameleons, those remarkable reptiles known for their vivid color changes and distinctive, turret-shaped eyes, exhibit a range of complex social behaviors, particularly when observed in captivity. Their behavior is not only a product of their environmental conditions but also their inherent physiological and psychological needs. In the wild, chameleons are primarily solitary creatures. They tend to avoid each other except during mating seasons, and their interactions are often brief and functional. This natural predisposition carries over into captivity, where their solitary nature must be carefully managed by handlers to prevent stress and aggression. Observing chameleons in a controlled environment offers insights into their social structure, stress triggers, and the subtle nuances of their interactions with both their environment and other chameleons. When it comes to their social interactions, chameleons communicate through body language and color changes. These color changes can indicate various emotional states, from aggression and fear to receptiveness to mating. In captivity, where space is limited and encounters are more frequent, these signals become crucial for maintaining social harmony. Handlers and researchers have observed that when two males are placed in proximity, they exhibit brighter colors, often with bold patterns, as a way to assert dominance or territorial rights. If the confrontation escalates, it might lead to physical skirmishes, which can cause stress and injury. The presence of females introduces another layer of complexity. Male chameleons will often show off brighter and more intense colors to attract a mate. However, the female's response is critical. She can display colors that indicate her receptiveness or, alternatively, signal her disinterest or readiness to defend herself. In captivity, where escape routes are limited, careful management of sightlines and physical separations is necessary to ensure that these interactions do not lead to continuous stress or aggression. Environmental factors also play a significant role in the social behavior of captive chameleons. The setup of their enclosures can affect how these animals interact. For example, providing multiple basking spots can help reduce competition and aggression, as chameleons are particularly territorial about their basking areas. Similarly, visual barriers and ample foliage for hiding can help mimic their natural habitats and reduce visible stress triggers. Researchers studying chameleons in captivity have noted that younger chameleons tend to be more adaptable to the presence of conspecifics. This suggests that early exposure to other chameleons in a controlled setting might help reduce aggressive tendencies and promote more stable social behaviors. However, these interactions need to be closely monitored to adjust strategies depending on the individual temperaments of the chameleons involved. Feeding is another aspect of captivity that can influence chameleon social behavior. In the wild, chameleons hunt alone, using their ballistic tongues to capture prey from a distance. In captivity, competition for food can cause stress and aggression if not managed properly. Distributing food evenly and ensuring that all chameleons have access to food without encroachment from others is essential. This can be challenging, given their natural instinct to hunt independently rather than share resources. In terms of managing stress and health in captivity, it is crucial for handlers to recognize the signs of stress early. These may include dull coloration, reduced appetite, and lethargy. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system of chameleons, making them more susceptible to illnesses. Therefore, creating an environment that closely mimics their natural habitat, with appropriate social opportunities and stress minimization, is key to maintaining their health and well-being. In conclusion, the social behavior of chameleons in captivity is multifaceted and influenced by a variety of factors. From territorial disputes to mating rituals, their interactions require careful observation and management to ensure their health and welfare. Understanding these complex behaviors not only helps in the proper care of these unique reptiles but also enriches our knowledge of their adaptive capabilities and ecological significance.